Hi people, this is Nettie again. Look at this. Oh, isn't that cute? Well, I feed them because the mother was kind of desperate. She couldn't get out to eat. The little chickadees were crying all over the place. They were starving too. So what happens? I didn't want her to kill the birds because the chicken. Because if they don't have how you call it? They don't have food for them, she will kill them. So they don't suffer so much. So I can't get her out. So until I could tell my somebody that comes around to take that this thing here. Let's see if I can see it right there. She can't get them out of there because they're too small. But she's happy because I gave her leftover rice from yesterday. And I dumped it in there. Even the babies are eating. They are happy. So later on, I'll give them some more. So she don't have to go out. Until my husband could open this up. Or my daughter. Or somebody would come. And they could open it up, that area. So the chickens could just go with their mom. And walk around and get worms and stuff like that. That is much healthier for them. So, saying this. And I also wanted to show you another thing. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is this. I think this is a soursop. My mom told me it was something else that is a family of the soursop and that it tastes real delicious. And everybody's saying, yeah, they're good, this and that. But then now I ask everybody, nobody knows what it is. But to me, it's a soursop. Because it has the same leaves as the one I have outside. I'm planning to take it out and replant it somewhere. And how you call it? And this one looks the same. So I want to show you something what I did right there. I made holes by my little self. I drilled that thing down, boy. So I made, I think, plenty of holes for it, And since they really like water, so it's not going to be no problem. Now I have to clean the area. As you can see right there, it's all dirty. I'm going to clean the area. And I'm going to try and put this plant by myself. This one by myself. And put this, how you call this? This. But this one I'm not going to put it because it's broken. I put this under it because when I water it, it won't wet the whole floor and make a mess like the one I got right there. It was broken and I didn't know. So, how you call it? It was getting all that wet and getting all dirty and stuff like that. So, I see a bag right there. I probably use that one. Might as well use it. They charge me 10 cents for that. These bags, they cost 10 cents. Every time you go to the store, if you make a, how you call it? Grocery, like a lot of grocery that you have to buy. This you gotta fill a whole bunch of these. So it's hard because they charge you 10 for before they used to give it free. Well, I guess they're giving somebody a contract and we got stuck with it. That's how we work over here, sadly to say. So let me get this ready and then I'll be right back. Okay, what I forgot to say was that I was going to say this is a plant of snow plant that I call it snow plant because I don't know the name of it. But it is the one that gets white and different colors. And they're starting to change a little bit of the color, And as soon as it gets summer, they start looking like snow. This type of plant is how you call it? It's good to have if you have it like in a pot. If you put it out, it'll look beautiful. But you have to keep it short so you can see all the whiteness because all the white goes on the top. So all that white, it looks beautiful, So just remember that. So I thought I should put it inside the video because this one I think the last time that I showed it was she was a baby. And look how big she's grown. She loves it there. So Okay, so now I cleaned this out. It's nice and clean. I put a plastic bag in the bottom because I'm gonna put all my extra pots that I have. Yeah, I keep saving them and reusing them and everything, but it gets dirty and I just put it to the side and this and that. So I'm trying to do as much as I can. And I already did this side, and I also have another thing that I'm planning to do. Hold on. Hold on, give me a break. Okay, I'm gonna cut this. I already took it out. I'm gonna cut it exactly under where the, how you call it, where the first one is. Oh no, probably the second one. Probably the second one. I'm gonna cut it there and see if I can fix it up a little bit, because it looks kind of sick. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I put the plant here. I got my water thing there. And I gotta fix still this. I still gotta water some of the plants. But I want to show you something that I did. Hold on. Right there, right there. So what I decided was to take it out of there. This is Mama. Mama is all broken down. But either way, she's not for sale. So I just gotta leave her there. And I also put the little plants that were next to her. I put them here so they could get roots and start to grow beautifully, like I got the other ones. And I could put them in bigger pots. So also what I wanted to show you was this. I took everything out of here except the pepper and the onion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant pepper here. Why? Because I noticed this one is growing beautifully. Look how big their leaves are. You know, they're growing beautifully. So since the LED light hits directly on them at night, I think that's what it is. It gets daytime and it gets nighttime. You know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plant, how you call it? I'm going to plant peppers here. I got a few peppers there. Then when I put it in the bag, it didn't work. They rotten, and then I tried to dry them up, and then they got too dry. So forget it. I'm not doing that. I still gotta fix a little bit here, clean out a little bit. I will be doing that either tonight, later on, or tomorrow, because I think we need to actually, I could put the hose and wash this place real good. But the problem I have is that it has holes. This one don't have plastic. So tomorrow I'm gonna put the plastic and clean it out. So that I think will be all, because I did most of it, and I found a way, but I don't have it. I'll show you in the next video that how to water my corianders, because I got that rail thing on there, and then I have the, how you call it, the fence type of thing. So it's very hard to wet them, but I'm going to show you how I do it in the next video. So that'll be all for now. God bless you all. Until next one. And if you have any questions, you could let me know. You know, I might take some time because I'm usually busy. I get up in the morning and I'm all the way up to at nighttime. So, you know, mainly with my plants. Oh yeah, look at this. Ain't it beautiful? They're growing on a piece of dirt, hard dirt. So I'm leaving them there. What I do is that I wet them through here, through this hole. I fill it up with water, and it spreads out and it gives them water. So let me take this. I'm gonna take it inside. So it's growing pretty big. So anyway, after they can't live there no more, I probably just spread the dirt and let them live there. So that's all for now. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.